Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name's Aldo and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video I'm walking you around a Jaguar iPace that we've upgraded with a front dash camera solution, but it also records while the vehicle is parked. However, with zero draw on the vehicle's battery. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So, customer came into us looking for an upgrade to be carried out to add a bit of protection to the vehicle, not only while driving but also while parked, and that's why we've gone for this solution. We're using something called a Thinkware U1000 Dashcam solution. On this particular occasion we've gone for a front only dashcam, however we do a front and rear solution as well, which you may have seen on a couple of other our videos on our YouTube channel if you have subscribed. In terms of what we've got, U1000 is a 4K image quality dashcam. It's one of the leading and top products that you can buy as a dashcam in today's market. And I've actually got this exactly the same system installed into my Mustang, however we've got front and rear on that car. Main thing that we've done is added in a battery. It's called a Thinkware iVolt battery, and what that battery does, the camera allows it to record while the vehicle is parked with zero draw on the vehicle's battery, and how important that is incredible. Basically, you've got literally 0 milliamp draw on the vehicle's battery, so it's safe for the vehicle. The battery is not anticipating any extra draw than what it's using, so it's a safe way of installing, it's a safe way of using the product, plus it gives you about 16 hours of recording off a full charge, which again is an incredible amount. Around about 30 minutes or so of driving will give you a full charge, which gives you around about 16 hours of recording. So a phenomenal bit of kit. The full spec can be found on the Thinkware website. Links for that are below. But overall, everything has been installed in a really discreet manner. The actual battery has been installed completely hidden away in the passenger side footwell. Plus, we've also added in a physical cable run all the way behind the A-pillar, all the way into the camera, kind of out of the way of the driver's side. You don't need to see it at all. But overall, really stunning performing product. In terms of the application that we've done, we've actually done a full video on how the application works, how you guys can connect up your phone to your camera system in the vehicle now. It's basically called the Thinkware Cloud application. Go through, check that out. That will also be in the description below for that video, and that goes through the full run through of how you pair up your phone to the camera, how that works, how all the products and features basically that this camera holds, all live and a bit more detail on that video. Today's video was all about showing you a little bit about the installation, where things get located, but also to give you a bit of an overview of the solutions that are available to protect your car, not only while driving, but also while the vehicle is parked. If you're interested in something like this, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. But thank you very much guys for watching. We'll see you soon.